So just to start, because Wellinger is also one of the partners in today's event, and they have one of the finest media and entertainment integrated post-graduation program. And Wellinger V School, as you know, is based in Mumbai and one of the top ranked business schools in India with a very strong heritage of 100+ year old trust, SP Mandali, which is based in Pune and has some of the finest colleges like Ruia, Podar, Wellinger, SP College Pune, and Wellinger is from them. And they are very, very strong on terms of focus on academics, networking, industry interactions, design thinking, creativity. So this, and they run multiple programs. Many of you have been applying to us for our 2-year full-time PGDM programs, 3-year programs, online courses. But one of the flagship programs is about the media and entertainment. It is going on for more than 10 to 12 years now, and students from across the country come there. So I thought, let me take that as a backdrop on a classroom-based integrated media entertainment course. And also I will try to touch upon on the NMIMS Institute, NMIMS University Digital Marketing Online program, because after our research, we feel these are two very, very important programs which youngsters should look at. Yeah. So very clearly, what is this world? Friends, have a look at this. When we say media and entertainment, what does it comprise of? It's about advertising and public relations. It's about marketing and branding. It's digital and social media. It's about film marketing and distribution. It's about celebrity and sports management. It's about IMC, integrated marketing communication, which you must have heard of during your academic sessions. And it is also about the television and the print and the radio. So this is the entire industry when we talked about media and entertainment. Some of you may be interested in very specific thing like film making, and somebody would like to be a media manager, which is the right way to do, right? Some careers I'm taking through so that you have an insight on what questions you should ask me. So careers in media entertainment, there is digital media, right? So it could be from technical careers like film effects to an animator, to a marketing expert, to a web developer. These are all technical skills, multimedia skills. Many of you may be BCom, BMS, BMM. You may not like to do this kind of skills, but you may like to do probably a sports manager, or you would like to be a brand manager, or you would like to be a social media manager. So there are different kind of activities happens till the time you see an ad on the newspaper or you see a video on a Netflix. Lot of things go behind that, and that is the industry of media and entertainment. Yeah, something again here, how things are moving. Businesses pre-COVID, what has the businesses of post-COVID, and what are the careers which are getting now emerging there, So some things might be sounding tough to you, but that's okay. What is a data scientist and data developer? Everything is not relevant to you, but then these are the careers which are emerging in the world of media and entertainment. Right? You would like to be a holistic media manager and work with these people around. You need not be the person who is actually writing the content or making the film. So the industry offers variety of options to you. Right? So OTT, but what is clearly emerging? OTT is clearly emerging, like the webinars which we are seeing now is emerging. The online events, even companies like Book My Show are now monetizing through online events, right? MarTech, marketing and technology put together is emerging. Digitalization, you have already seen. You are the generation who orders food on Swiggy and Zomato. You book your tickets on Book My Show. You go on your Make My Trip or cleartrip.com and travel that way. You are the ones who use Swiggy, you use Paytm, and you are using Google Pay and Amazon. So that is the digital consumerism part, which is very, very strongly emerging. So they will require experts who are e-commerce and marketing and media kind of people. Something about what the 11 months program at Wellinger does to take care of the industry requirements. See, this is a post-graduation program. So it is very important that what we teach in this course in the 11 months in the classroom through projects and assignments and industrial interaction has to be relevant to create careers for the youngsters. So very clearly 9 months in classroom and 2 months on capstone projects, right? Very strong blend of theory and projects put together in the classroom with case studies, guest lectures form an integral part, and the entire advisory board and the academic board and the industry interaction which you get in this period of 1 year is very, very important for you to take a career choice. What exactly should you do after 11 months? Because we believe that you should first have a holistic idea of the industry, identify what are your interesting areas, and then probably you should decide where I would progress from there. And what makes a difference in a person's career is the network, the networking, and there is where V School stands very strongly with its very, very strong alumni network for last 40, 50 years across programs. That comes to your rescue when you're looking at jobs and when you're looking at starting up on your own both. So that is where the power of brands come. Everything is about brands, and there is where Wellinger counts very, very strongly there. Three parts, again, most important. Any course you do, either Wellinger or otherwise, what is important as a student for you is it has to be an integrated media program. Extremely important. As youngsters, when we start in life, we do not want to go super specialized in the beginning. Integrated media program covers multiple aspects, whether it is marketing, advertising, whether it is celebrity management, it is event management, it is digital media, whether it is social media. It will cover all of those aspects. That is very important. And you can see these fabulous subjects divided in 3 semesters. You may need to know what is rural media, okay? Because there is where the consumption is happening. There is where people are buying now online. Maybe the cities are completely now exhausted in terms of their spends, and the next waves are coming in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So you will need to know what are rural media, probably film exhibition and distribution, because all is converging. You have heard this word, right, friends? Conversion. Things are converging. Everything is mixing. Technology is mixing with marketing. Marketing is mixing with films. Films are mixing with legal aspects, and everything is now mixed into some different kind of outcomes which you and me are buying, which is probably buying on an Amazon. It is a combination of lot of things. You are studying on a Byju's or an academy, right? That is a combination of lot of things, right? And there is where people pay the money. And you can also select, hardcore subjects like advertising, public relation. Public relation has taken a new role now. It's about digital PR now. It's not just story writing and script writing for a newspaper. It needs to be merged with corporate communication. So those are the aspects which a business school like Wellinger will bring for you for 3 semesters. This is important. Any media entertainment program needs to give us avenues as youngsters to now experiment and make a career on what we did the program for. So what kind of opportunities open up in the field of media and entertainment? Just have a look. There will be some things which may be of your liking, that I want to make a career in something like this, right? And we can go in deep in all of those in our Q&A section, right? I'll just take you through some slides. So you would decide that I want to get into advertising, I want to get into public relation, I want to get into digital media companies. So your Dentsus of the world, or probably the Glitch or Shabang, these are digital media companies. Advertising agency could be Ogilvy, Lintas, TBWA. There are so many. Film production and promotional companies are very big recruiters, because you are seeing a lot of growth in your Netflix, your Hotstar, your Voot, your Amazon. All of those are film production. It could be companies like Dharma Productions, it could be Warner Brothers, 20th Century Fox. These are again film production and promotion and marketing companies. They require managers like you, okay, in various aspects. It could be in production, it could be in direction, it could be in sponsorships, it could be in advertising, it could be in PR, it could be in celebrity management. So film production companies again hire people from Wellinger in their various departments. It could be your television channels from a Discovery to a Star TV. It could be general entertainment channel. It could be news channels. It could be your FM channels across. They need media managers who understand media and they come from a business school background, and because they can merge creativity now with management. Celebrity and sports management is a very, very big area. So celebrities could be your film celebrities, they could be politicians, they could be sports stars, there could be CEOs of companies. All of these are celebrities. Okay. So they require management in terms of how do they position themselves. There could be social media celebrities to an extent, like a Pammi Bhabhi could be a celebrity, and a Twinkle Khanna is a huge celebrity on social media. You till last week you had celebrities and influencers on TikTok also. So they also need managers. Brands need celebrity managers. Who will Virat Kohli sign up for the next ad? What should be the pricing for that? How many product launches will a Dhoni go tomorrow? Right? And how he should be featured? What should be the commercial arrangements? All this is being handled by professional people like you who understand media and entertainment in an integrated format. Same thing is happening with sports also. You have seen the growth of companies like esports, Dream 11, Nazara.com. There are so many esporting companies, and 2020 IPL, Kabaddi League, so many sporting mixed with marketing, mixed with entertainment. So you need a overall of understanding of all of this and more. Only then can you be a good sports manager. Same happens event, entertainment, sports, media, all is being merged together. So only single specialization won't help you. And then of course, integrated marketing communication, as we discussed. Some alumni and what kind of companies usually hire from Wellinkar, and what is the kind of, so as I mentioned, it could be a film company like a Yashraj or a Balaji. It could be a platform like a Facebook, Google, Instagram. It could be a data company, and now an entertainment company like Reliance. It could be a company like Viscraft. It could be a channel like Viacom, or it could be a PR agency or a radio. So mix of companies hire. So like Delhi Capital is a company which is your Delhi Daredevil team. So they also need people who are professional managers who come and address the questions. Yeah. Very clearly, for the Wellinkar program, graduation 50% is a must. If you are a final year student, because I saw a data of you, hundreds of people who registered today, many of you are final year students graduating in the next few weeks, and you are now waiting for your exams or results or whatever outcome the government tells you. You are completely 100% eligible to apply to the V School Media Entertainment postgrad programs. First, maybe it may start online for some time, first trimester or half of the trimester, and then it will move to classroom model. But you can apply now. Whenever your result comes, you will be submitting your final year mark sheet. And there are personal interviews which are happening across the country currently. That's what I have been told. And there is where you can apply if you're looking at making a career in media and entertainment and have a professional degree before you go there. Because this is the right time to study before the economy opens up in next 1 year. Getting jobs today is going to be difficult. This is the best time to study today so that tomorrow you are ready when the economy opens. Yeah. Some of the videos which I had the opportunity to see these videos. Go on YouTube, see the kind of work the V School students in the media program have done with some top celebrities, and the thought and the vision, how they have implemented what they learned in the classroom in 11 months. So this is what is coming from here. Again, some events which may be of interest to you, which happens because see, this media and entertainment world is all about practicals. You cannot learn only on theory. Theory is important. They will teach you in the classroom, but that needs to be applied, right? So somebody is asking about the Wellinkar Media Entertainment Program. The idea in the program is to keep it broad based, okay? Because youngsters like you today need to have the feel of the entire media entertainment industry. You cannot super specialize in the beginning because there are no super specialized jobs left today, right? So you need to know first in 11 months what is this entire world of media entertainment. Today, you may think I want to be in a celebrity management business, but how can you be a good celebrity manager working for any celebrity if you don't understand social media, you don't understand what are OTT platforms, you are not able to understand what are the commercials going on, you are not understanding what is public relation and journalism, right? So you will need to have a overall exposure of the world of media and entertainment. So the program is by design kept a integrated program where one thing is related to another in the 3 trimesters. That is very important. So you are a perfect media manager and you do various projects and assignments in this 11 months covering each and every aspect of this, right? So it is not a generalist program, it is known as an integrated program. And I have studied multiple programs in the country today. This has emerged as one of the finest program because it is an integrated program. And when we saw the track record of the alumni or the ex-student who have passed from these programs, and their feedback also is exactly the same, that because Wellinkar taught us in the 11 months of overall understanding of advertising, marketing, journalism, digital, today we are able to perform better because we knew what the other person is talking in a company. So somebody who is a brand manager in a company or working in an ad agency is able to understand the various departments in the agency. It is able to understand what the client is expecting. And if this is very, very important because we create managers, this is a business school, right? So that is the orientation with this program is designed. And the success of the program is that in 11 months, you exactly know how is the world of media working. Lisa Jehan, will we be completely ready by doing the V-School media program? Yes, you will be completely ready after doing this post-graduation program because now you have an understanding of the various facets of what the industry is all about, what are the various functions in the industry. You have done projects during your 11 months in that, and now it is your time how you perform. But you are ready and you are now ready to get employed. Now, after you get employed, how you apply what you learn is up to you, right? But in the last 10, 12 years, we have seen our alumni has done fantastic work. Okay. Could you please go over the enrollment for Wellinkar College again? It is very difficult to get in. Is there a work experience required? Simran is asking this. So the eligibility for the postgraduate 11-month program in media and entertainment is minimum 50% in graduation if you are already graduated. If you are in your final year of graduation and you are awaiting your final year results, you can still apply. The group discussions, the interviews, the selection process is on. Please fill the application form available on the Wellinkar website for this particular PG in Media Entertainment program. Face the interview, and if the institute finds you good enough, they will offer you a seat in the program. Work experience is not necessarily required. Most of the students who come in these programs are fresh graduates. So people like you, with around 70 to 80% students are freshers. That's what we have seen in the last few years. And 20 to 30% people are with work experience. But see, the application form which you filled, it should really show why you want to do a program in media and entertainment. Why should Wellinkers take you first in the first place in this program? So have that clarity, apply and go through the interview process. Okay. Average package after the Wellinkar program. Usually the packages in this program are in the range of 3.5 lakh to 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, depends on which kind of companies you get hired and what is the job available at that point of time and how good or bad you are. Also, one suggestion, it's a good question, Simran, because anybody who wants to study post-graduation in either in MSc or an MBA or any kind of professional program or online program, people keep asking this question, what will be the package? Please understand, programs are done to make careers. Do not expect that you did a 6 months, 3 month or 1 year program and now you will get red carpet and a few lakh rupees of 10 lakh rupee package. No. First, you have to complete the program seriously, get a job, perform in that job. So the first salary may sometimes be more or less. That is not important. What is important, if you are performing good in the job, then you will grow in your salary. That is why whenever you check out any college or any program, do not look at just the last year's batch. Look at people who passed 2 years and 3 years in the past and see where they are. And all of these people will be available on LinkedIn. Their designations will be there, and you will get a feel. Okay, what happens after doing a program or studying from a premium business school like Wellington. So packages could be 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs, depends on which company you go, profile you select, whether you get employed. All of this will play, but look at years and not the first salary.